In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unallocated space in Windows 11. If you've ever dealt with unallocated space on your hard drive, you know it can be a bit confusing. The goal here is to expand an existing partition to utilize that unallocated space, making the most out of your storage capacity. We'll be going through this process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open Disk Management. To do this, you simply right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Disk Management. What this tool does is give you a comprehensive overview of all the drives currently connected to your computer, as well as any allocated or unallocated space that may exist on them. Once Disk Management is open, take a moment to locate and identify the partition that you want to enlarge. Ideally, this partition should be situated directly next to the unallocated space, as this proximity is essential for extending it. Right-click on this partition to bring up a context menu. Here, you'll want to choose the option labeled Extend Volume. Selecting Extend Volume will kickstart a wizard designed to help you through the process. It's crucial to follow the prompts carefully. The wizard will start by guiding you to a screen where you can specify how much of the unallocated space you'd like to add to your existing partition. In most cases, you can simply go ahead and add all available unallocated space for maximum efficiency, but you can adjust this according to your needs. Once you've decided on the appropriate amount of space to allocate, proceed through the rest of the wizard. It might show a summary of what you're about to do, which is helpful for ensuring everything is set as you intended. Review this information to make sure it's correct, and then continue to the next step. Finally, when you've completed the steps in the wizard, you'll come across a button marked Finish. Clicking this will confirm your decisions and execute the extension of the partition, effectively using that previously unallocated space. Your partition will grow in size, allowing you to use and manage your disk space more efficiently. And there you have it. Fixing unallocated space in Windows 11 can be straightforward once you know the steps, and this process will make sure you're taking advantage of all your available storage. If your options don't quite match up with what was mentioned here, double check that your unallocated space is right next to the partition you're trying to extend. This is key to making the extension possible. With that, we've wrapped up today's instructions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.